Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to easily hide the unread messages count that appears on the window title bar in the Telegram desktop app. This is a handy option introduced in the latest update, and it's perfect if you want to keep your workspace cleaner, less distracting, and more professional when using Telegram on your computer. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Once the app is open, look at the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see the familiar 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This will take you to the section where you can customize how Telegram works on your desktop. Inside Settings, scroll down and click on Advanced. The Advanced section gives more control over Telegram's appearance and performance, and this is where the option we're looking for is located. Now, inside Advanced, find the part labeled Window Title Bar. This section has a couple of checkboxes that control what you see at the very top of the app window. First, make sure to select Use System Window Frame. This step ensures that Telegram uses your computer's default window design, allowing you to adjust what shows up in the title bar. Right below that option, you'll see another checkbox labeled Total Unread Count. By default, this is turned on, and that's what makes the number of unread messages appear in the Windows title bar. To remove it, simply uncheck this box. As soon as you do that, the unread message count will disappear from the title bar, leaving just a clean window title without any numbers cluttering your screen. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the unread messages count on Telegram's desktop app. This makes the app look much simpler and helps you avoid the constant reminder of messages waiting, especially if you'd rather check them on your own time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a try and enjoy a cleaner Telegram experience on your PC. Thanks for watching.